New York, September 14, 2023, Globe Newswire. Why? Rosen Law Firm, a global investor rights law firm, reminds purchasers of the securities of AT&T Inc. NYSE, T, between March 1, 2020 and July 26, 2023, both dates inclusive, the A Class Periodâ, of the important September 26, 2023 lead plaintiff deadline in the securities class action commenced by the firm. So what? If you purchased AT&T securities during the class period, you may be entitled to compensation without payment of any out-of-pocket fees or costs through a contingency fee arrangement. What to do next? To join the AT&T class action, go to https://rosenlegal.com/submit-form/case_id=17730 or call Philip Kim, Esc. Toll free at 866-767-3653 or email protected, for information on the class action. A class action lawsuit has already been filed. If you wish to serve as lead plaintiff, you must move the court no later than September 26, 2023. A lead plaintiff is a representative party acting on behalf of other class members in directing the litigation. Why Rosen Law? We encourage investors to select qualified counsel with a track record of success in leadership roles. Often, firms issuing notices do not have comparable experience, resources, or any meaningful peer recognition. Many of these firms do not actually handle securities class actions, but are merely middlemen that refer clients or partner with law firms that actually litigate the cases. Be wise in selecting counsel. The Rosen Law Firm represents investors throughout the globe, concentrating its practice in securities class actions and shareholder derivative litigation. Rosen Law Firm has achieved the largest ever securities class action settlement against a Chinese company. Rosen Law Firm was ranked number 1 by ISS Securities Class Action Services for number of securities class action settlements in 2017. The firm has been ranked in the top 4 each year since 2013 and has recovered hundreds of millions of dollars for investors. In 2019 alone, the firm secured over $438 million for investors. In 2020, founding partner Laurence Rosen was named by Law 360 as a Titan of Plaintiffsâ Bar. Many of the firm's attorneys have been recognized by Lawdragon and Super Lawyers. Details of the case. According to the lawsuit, throughout the class period, defendants made materially false and/or misleading statements and/or failed to disclose, among other things, that 1. AT&T owns cables around the country that are highly toxic due to their being wrapped in lead, and which harm company employees and non-employees alike. 2. AT&T faces potentially significant litigation risk, regulatory risk, and reputational harm as a result of its ownership of these lead-covered cables and the health risks stemming from their presence around the United States. 3. AT&T was warned about the damage and risks presented by these cables but did not disclose them as a potential threat to employee safety or to everyday people and communities. And 4. As a result, defendants' statements about its business, operations, and prospects were materially false and misleading and/or lacked a reasonable basis at all relevant times. When the true details entered the market, the lawsuit claims that investors suffered damages. To join the AT&T class action, go to https://rosenlegal.com/submit-form/case_id=17730A or call Philip Kim, Esc. Toll free at 866-767-3653 or email protected, for information on the class action. No class has been certified. Until a class is certified, you are not represented by counsel unless you retain one. You may select counsel of your choice. You may also remain an absent class member and do nothing at this point. An investor's ability to share in any potential future recovery is not dependent upon serving as lead plaintiff. Follow us for updates on LinkedIn. https://www.linkedin.com/companies/the-rosen-law-firm or on Twitter. https://twitter.com/rosen_firm or on Facebook. https://www.facebook.com/rosenlawfirm. Rosen Law Firm represents investors throughout the globe, concentrating its practice in securities class actions and shareholder derivative litigation. Rosen Law Firm was ranked number 1 by ISS Securities Class Action Services for number of securities class action settlements in 2017. The firm has been ranked in the top 4 each year since 2013. Rosen Law Firm has achieved the largest ever securities class action settlement against a Chinese company. Rosen Law Firm's attorneys are ranked and recognized by numerous independent and respected sources. Rosen Law Firm has secured hundreds of millions of dollars for investors. Attorney advertising. Prior results do not guarantee a similar outcome.